How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to integrate or add Google Analytics to your Google website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first two things that we need to get out of the way first is we want to make sure that we're logged into our Google account that's tied to both our analytics as well as our website account or Google Sites account. So I have both those open right here. As you can see, I have a dummy site going. So the idea here is we want to extract our measurement ID or a tracking ID from Google Analytics first. And we're going to take that data and import it into our Google website. So as you can see, it's already shown right here. Normally this wouldn't be here, but I'll show you guys just how to extract this code right here. So once you're on the dashboard for Google Analytics, you want to head over to the left-hand side of the screen until you see the admin tab. So it's this one right here. And when you click on it, you'll be met with a bunch of different options. So what we're looking for here is data collection and modification. So it's the one under property settings and under the property tab. There's this one here, and we'd want to click on data streams. So when we click on data streams, we want to select the property or the group whose tracking ID we want to extract. So I have this one here. So simply click on copy measurement ID like so, and head over to your website editor for Google Sites. So it's this one here, and by default, the setting that we're looking for analytics would be under the gear icon, and that's normally found on the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so here it is. Click on settings, and then right away you'll see that there's an option that says analytics. So you want to click on this like so. Then you want to paste the link, the tracking ID that we just copied, and enable analytics. And once you guys do that, you're done. You can even see here that analytics settings change. Settings changes take effect immediately after closing this dialog. So when you close it, site analytics are now active. And yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.